how to reset all settings to default on Sony ZV-1. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we are going to learn how we can reset all the settings to default on our Sony ZV-1, so make sure to watch the video till the end. To reset all the settings to default on our Sony ZV-1 camera, all you have to do is just go to the menu option here. Then just go to this option here all the way to the right hand side of the screen. So you can go to setup 6, as you can find, not setup 2, not setup 4, but setup 6, and then go to settings reset, and then just hit the initialize option to reset everything to its factory settings, like the way when you first purchase the camera everything will be set to default, and then you might have to customize them over again. This was the way on how you can reset everything to factory default on our Sony ZV-1. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.